Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Dudlle.com shoes. Okay, so I cannot show you the website because they may send me some copyright strikes, so that's why I'm not able to show the website. But if we talk about what are the main problems of this website, okay, so you should purchase any shoes on this website or not. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I want to tell you, like, this platform is approx like 1 year from now, and that in the period of 1 year they have only like one trust score out of 100. So it means there is a very big problem. And what are the problems? The first problem of this store is like this is a you can say like a drop shipping store, or you can say like affiliate store. Okay, and if we talk about like shoes they are selling right now, so you can see these kind of shoes they are selling right now. This is the same shoes which is available on amazon.com at like 39 you can like $39, only like $40. But on the website you can get the same doll, you can select shoes in $60. And this is one more, you can select shoe which is also available on the website. The costing of the shoes, this shoes is like approx $60, but on amazon.com you can see like $34 only. Okay, so if we talk about the other problem, that is like contact information. Website does not provide any kind of contact information by which you can easily get in touch with the customer support team related to customer support. Okay, related to return and refund. Okay, so if we talk about reviews, you can see the reviews, they have reviews on Trustpilot like 68% negative reviews. So you can imagine the quality of the product, and you can say like their 100% cashmere sweater arrive at 85% polyester and 10% Sendex. It means the quality of the product is not too good. And if we talk about like you can see their return and refund policy is very hard. And if we talk about like you can see each and every review you can read, you can say like easily on Trustpilot. You can go on Trustpilot and you should read each and every review before using their services. Okay, before using their product. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience with this you can say like store, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will help for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.